Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. How are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we have a look of Chiliz coin. What's the price change goes in Chiliz coin? What's the high price? What is the currently change occur in Chiliz coin? We discussed about the Chiliz coin in this video. So before starting this interesting video friends, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Don't forget to subscribe. Please complete my 40 subscriber. Then I'm announcing a giveaway of 100 Chiliz coin. Be ready and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. As you can see here, the last one-day price predictions of the Chiliz coin. The change occur in the Chiliz coin is positive 2.7%, and the high price of Chiliz coin in the last one day is $0.524796 USD dollar is the price of Chiliz coin in the previous last one day period, friends. If we look the price predictions, if we look the price prediction chart of the Chiliz coin, so as you can see here, a really complex structure and a Chiliz coin. As you can see here, a really complex structure, but I have a surprise news for all of Chiliz coin holders. As you can see, if we let's zoom it, and as you can see here, really jumps and falls again. It's a continuously repeated process of Chiliz coin. As you can see, jump falls, jump falls, jump falls. But if we look the currently situation, as you can see here, it is situation of the Chiliz coin. So now they are again taking a high jump, a high explosion or start of Chiliz in this time, friends. So now for more details, let's see the last 1 hour price predictions. What's the price is goes in the last 1 hour? As you can see here, oh my god, they falls down. As you can see here they are again falls down. It's a temporary falls of Chiliz coin. After there's falls, they again take a jump. Don't worry about it. This falls, the change occur in the last 1 hour is a negative 1.24% change occur in Chiliz coin in the last 1 hour. And if we look the high price of Chiliz coin in the last 1 hour, so the high price is 0.529881 USD dollar is the high price of Chiliz coin in the last 1 hour, friends. Now if we talk about the current price of the Chiliz coin, so the current price is of Chiliz coin is about $0.515449 USD dollar is the current price of Chiliz coin, friends. That is the last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now on IBS Tech channel, friends. According to the price prediction, my suggestion for all of Chiliz coin holders is that as I show you the last one day price prediction, a continuously change occur, a whole change occur in the Chiliz coin is moving upward, friends. So that is why my suggestion for all of you that please hold your Chiliz coin in the last of this hour. Please hold your Chiliz coin in the last of this hour. A big explosion of the Chiliz coin are coming soon, so please wait for a big explosion of Chiliz coin. And also subscribe IBS Tech channel, press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you so much for watching this video.